How to replace the batteries in a Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn purse on the go bag. Now, you might want to do this battery replacement because you know that you need to replace the batteries, or this purse might not be working quite right. The sounds are not sounding right. Very often, the batteries need to be replaced. You know, this purse can actually be demoed in the box, so the batteries can very often need to be replaced almost as soon as you get it. So all you need to do is get 3 LR44 batteries. You can order them online for a few bucks. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for just a few bucks. But anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to come in and open the bag, and on the inside of the bag, you're going to see this compartment here. This is the battery compartment. So all you'll do is unscrew this here and pull this tab out, and this will reveal the 3 stacked LR44 little flat batteries. And just pull the old batteries out and put the new batteries in, making sure you just respect that flat polarity, and then put this cover back on, and you are done. Also, if you're interested in getting another one of these purses, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the absolute best price.